Hey guys, welcome to Miss Cell Creations. No video right now, no resin. I just wanted to come on. I just saw a video put out by a gal named Tracey over at MiniScenesGB. And apparently her YouTube, she had like 30 or 31,000 subscribers. I'm in my old craft room, sorry, it's kind of bare in here. She had a ton of subscribers. Something happened. They've erased her YouTube channel and all of her videos. And for those of you that have done anything, any kind of self-employment work, you know that it takes a ton of time, a lot of effort, and a whole lot of sweat and tears to get something like this going. As somebody who just recently got monetized myself, I can tell you it takes a ton of time and heartache and sweat and tears to do this. It's like she's gonna have to come up with a new channel, which I think she's already done. She has to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, I think it is. So it's a lot of work, and she's lost everything. Affiliates, she had all of that. I don't know how that's going to work. I'm not into that portion of my YouTube channel journey yet to know anything about that, but I can just tell you that my trip alone, as short as it's been, it breaks my heart to have watched her video. So I guess I'm reaching out to you. If you guys know Tracey, if you subscribed to her channel before, please go down below. You'll see the video that she put out, and hit a subscribe, help her out. And the best thing you can do for any YouTube channel, honestly, in case you don't know, is if they have playlists, hit play, walk away, go do dishes, go do your laundry, go do your grocery shopping. Just let it play and let it play and let it play, because those watch hours help. And turn the sound off and let it play while you go to sleep, while you take a nap, whatever, take a bath. That's the best way to help her out. Hit like, subscribe, and then comment on any of her videos. That helps YouTube know to push her channel out farther, and hopefully we can get the word out to her. In my short career with YouTube, I have seen some pretty nasty people, if you will. I choose to ignore that. I don't give them the time of day, and I choose happy, and I choose to support other channels. We're a community, we're a family, and it absolutely blows me away that people think this is a competition, because it's not. I have nothing to gain by downplaying somebody else's channel. I would never do that, and hopefully they don't ever do it to me, but I know it'll happen. It's fine. I am better than that, and that's what my mama taught me. And so if you would, just show Tracey some love. Go out, and if you've been a subscriber before of hers, if you haven't, check out her videos. See if it's something you might be interested in. I know if it was me, I would sure hope somebody would put something out there to help me out, because I would be absolutely devastated. All right, guys, I have a video in the process, so I'm going to go busy on that. But while I'm doing that in the background, I will be playing Tracey's videos to try and help her get some view hours, and I hope you will too. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye. Good luck, Tracey.